everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my final update for the 23 in 2023. The next time I talk about this project will be the finale, and this is going to be an extremely long video because I have this one little product left. I had this in the last update. Everything else was done as of the last update except for this tiny little thing, and yes, it is sarcasm that I'm using, saying that this is going to be long, much like this pencil. It's real long, isn't it? I am making very, very good progress on this. It is the LA Girl, I think it's Sienna. Yeah, it's the lip liner in Sienna. It is slow going. It is what I have on my lips today. It is topped by a buxom lip gloss that is just like a very sheer peachy shine kind of color. So mostly what you're seeing is this color, and look at this progress. Yeah, I suck at holding these up. I went from here to here, and it is going to come down to really where the product stops in this pencil, or if I can not sharpen it anymore. I did just sharpen it last night, so you know, it's going to be at least another few days before I need to sharpen it again. I have been trying to wear warm or neutral shades the last few days to really get some use in on this one, because this time of year, it's crunch time. You got to get your stuff done before the end of the year for these projects that end on December 31st. And I'm going to be kind of sad if I cannot finish this by the finale. I mean, if I don't, it'll be a happy, quick empty for January, but I really want to get this one done. It is a lovely color, but you know, I'm ready to move on to something else. I've used it a lot this year, which worked out well because I worked on a lot of oranges this year. So, you know, it did come in very handy, but I'm hoping that this can be done by the finale. I know there is a bunch of people that are doing 23 in 2023. I don't have a list because I don't know who started this whole numbered thing. So, you know, I can't really put anything down there for you to click on, but if you search in the YouTube search bar 23 in 2023, tons of people will pop up. I am doing 24 in 2024 because, you know, I'm a glutton for punishment. I need to have that many more projects to work on, that many more products to work on. And if you are going to be doing 24 in 2024, let me know down below, because you know, I want to be able to track whoever's doing it, whoever's crazy like me. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.